Most people are exhausted, not because they work too little, but because they work on the wrong dream. They chase what everyone else calls success, and forget to ask themselves, is this my dream or someone else's? Meet Jason. He was talented. He was smart. He had ideas. But his parents wanted him to become a doctor. His friends admired entrepreneurs. Social media glorified influencers. Jason tried everything. Medicine, startups, online fame. He did all of it, but felt nothing. No joy, no purpose, just exhaustion. One evening, Jason walked aimlessly through a park. He noticed an old man painting quietly under a tree. Simple, slow strokes. A small canvas. "Why do you paint?" Jason asked. The man smiled. "Because it's mine, not theirs. I don't paint to impress anyone. I paint because I cannot stop." Jason realized something. I've been living life like I was on autopilot, chasing dreams that weren't mine. He went home that night and asked himself, what do I love? When no one is watching. No influence. No expectations. Just him. The answer came slowly. Writing. Quietly. Honestly. For myself first. He made a decision. I will stop chasing borrowed dreams. I will start building my own. Jason began small. Writing 30 minutes every morning. Ignoring what others thought. Learning slowly, consistently. Months passed. He felt alive. He felt freedom. He realized, chasing others' approval is exhausting. Chasing your own dream is energizing. Opportunities began to appear. Naturally. Connections aligned. His work spoke for itself. Not because the world cared, but because he finally cared. Stop measuring success by what others chase. Stop comparing your path to someone else's. Your dreams are yours. Protect them. Nurture them. And the quiet change will quietly turn them into reality.